Hey guys, this is Wendy. I'm so excited to show you this amazing technique, embossing with dies. And the bonus is, this video is less than 3 minutes. Are you ready? So awesome. Okay, so basically there's these new dies coming out called the stitched label dies, and they are amazing. As you can see here, I've got this beautiful, intricate, embossed image around my sentiment. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First, I want to show you the stamp set and the framelits. Here they are. This is a bundle that you're going to be able to purchase after June 1st. Here's the magic embossing pad stuff. So I'm actually only going to use one of these today, and I'm going to show you how to stack them for your big shot. Ready? So here we go. You're going to need your big shot platform, and I like it to be right side up. There you go. Your clear cutting plate, your embossing mat, your cardstock, and then your die, and then your clear plate. So I've taken away the thinlet, and now you see what you get. This is a beautifully embossed image. So I'm going to speed the video up here to show you how I put together the rest of the card, because really this video is simply about that awesome technique. So if you didn't want to watch the rest of this, you wouldn't have to. Now you know how to stack your dies to get that cool embossed image every time. So look at that. Okay, I'm using Lovely Lipstick cardstock and ink, and I stamped my sweet sentiment, "Oh darling, you are fabulous," adding it to that Lovely Lipstick cardstock that is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. My cardstock that I layered down and did my stamping and embossing on is at 4 by 5 1/4. Then you could add a little heart or some embellishments to this, and you're done. Super simple, super quick card. Here are several of the cards that I created when I did this technique. I actually did a bunch of different embossing just for fun, and then I stamped everything in colors so that you could see all of those. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you need more ideas, keep following me on YouTube. Check out my blog at levinstampin.com. Join me on Facebook Live every Monday at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.